I'm Jeff Wagner. I'm the Director of New Store Openings and the Senior Advisor to the CEO for Champion Xpress Car Washes. We currently have 9 car washes in New Mexico, Colorado, and Utah. By the end of 2022, we should have 25 stores, and by the end of 2023, we should have in the 50 range. We originally learned about Sonny's from the beginning on that just through some other industry contact. I've actually been to, I think, 3 of the car wash college classes to look at that, seeing the facility there where you guys make everything, put everything together. So it's been a nice fit from us, the ability to train people on it and the ability to look at it from wherever we were at. And so it was very nice to be able to just pull that up, any computer, any phone, wherever you're at, and look at those things. I typically go and do the new installs, and Sonny sends their tech out. They're always there Monday morning, bright and early. Get the tunnel equipment tied in to the point of sale, get the timing going on that. The chemical people show up, get that aspect of it going. Some of the nice products that we've been able to use from the controls is we have pay stations at all of our stores. If there's enough room, we'll do a dedicated VIP lane and use the VIP station, which is at the full pay station. We also have LPR. We converted over to that this year, and we're certainly enjoying that over having to put stickers in the car. It's very nice having it where it recognizes people when they drive up. We also have started installing the digital queue in all of our new locations, and that's a product that I really have enjoyed seeing. We're following up with people on text campaigns. We're working with people to follow up, and we redirect people to, if they come to see us a few times, to maybe to look at our plan and see our plan pricing and for our monthly plans. The help desk has been nice for us because we can get in usually within a few minutes, get some help on a problem, and so it's nice not to be down. We've managed to minimize that by using the help desk, and that just puts money in our pockets by not being stopped. We have always used Sonny's equipment. We built and sold an additional 16 stores, and so they all had Sonny's equipment in those 2. We like Sonny's equipment, gives us consistency. We always end up with a good product. It's been very beneficial to our company.